Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, one day Tutti and Fruity found two glowing train tickets in their mailbox. They didn't remember buying any. The tickets shimmered with the words, "All aboard the time train." The kids boarded a train with shimmering carriages that glowed with every color of the rainbow. "Where are we going?" asked Fruity. "To any time you choose," said the glowing conductor. The train stopped in the age of dinosaurs. Tutti and Fruity stepped out to see towering Brachiosaurus and playful Triceratops. "Look at that baby dinosaur," said Tutti. The train next took them to a medieval time where knights were jousting. Tutti even got to try a tiny knight's helmet. Fruity laughed. "It's a bit too big for you." On a pirate ship, the kids helped a friendly captain find his lost compass. "Wow, you are brave soldiers, or I must say, you are brave sailors," said the captain as they handed them a golden coin. The train's rainbow engine started flickering. "We need a special spark from the future to power it," said the conductor. Tutti and Fruity quickly agreed to help. In the future, they found towering cities of glass and friendly robots. A robot gifted them a glowing energy crystal to fix the train. With the engine repaired, the train brought them back to their village. The conductor gave them miniature glowing train tickets again, promising another ride someday. And at the end, we can see two kids waving at a magical rainbow train departing into the distance, holding tiny glowing tickets. Dear friends, that was all about today's adventure. If you like today's adventure, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do like and share my videos. Thank you.